వరల్డ్ హెల్త్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ బిఎంఐ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ చూసాము. క్లాసిఫైస్ రేంజెస్ క్లాసిఫై చేసింది DRC. So let's see how many of us are falling in that, whether in normal weight or overweight or obese. So if we are in falling in overweight and obese, we can get back to normal weight by doing physical activity and dieting. That's what I did. So I was falling in overweight. So అప్పుడప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉంటాను కదా వెదర్ I was obese and overweight అని. So I was falling in overweight. What was my range BMI అనేది I just want to share with you all. It was 28. It was 28. Now I am falling in normal, like 22 to 23 range lo I am falling. It means I am falling in normal weight, right? So I always wanted to go back to my normal weight. I already shared this information. 10K walk lo cheppanu, aa link istanu. Once go back to that. Ela nenu how did I start my journey of coming back to my normal weight అనేది మీ అందరితో షేర్ చేశాను. Once go back to that, so you'll get an idea. So even you can start with your physical activity and dieting. Really helps out to go back to our normal weight. So once you go back kada, you feel very so manam again we have come back to manam normal weight అనేది. Once you go back and you just feel that I'm really happy for that. I'm really happy for that. Shreya and others, they are very happy for that more than me.